What's up, all my stock market investors? This is another Cash App investing video by yours truly, Shaddai Pena. Today I'm asking everybody a question. Are you an investor or are you a trader? These are two completely different things, and I want to make this an interactive video, another short interactive video. Let me know in the comments, are you an investor or are you a trader? Because for all of us who don't know, this is sometimes seems a little bit more difficult than it really is. I think for a lot of new investors under a year, it's very confusing. There's a lot of information being thrown out there, a lot of articles. But the way you work around it is you find more information on what you don't know. And the first thing you need to figure out is, are you an investor? Are you looking to be investing or are you looking to be trading? And you can be doing both. Let's just be clear. You don't just have to do one or the other. But before I continue and talk more, thank y'all, everybody that's been watching, all showing all the support, putting comments, hitting the thumbs up on the videos, subscribing, all those great things help out the channel, help me bring more information, give me more motivation to make more videos, to spread more knowledge. The group chat is going on for anybody that is interested. Shoot me a DM above. We got a lot of generational wealth builders coming together, sharing information, sharing resources, sharing articles, sharing stocks. So if you're interested, make sure you shoot me a DM above. Now, let's get back into business, investing or trading. Me personally, I'm long term. I'm an investor. I am investing. But recently, and that's how I started off, because I didn't really understand there's just so much more to stocks than just investing in a company. There's options, there's stop losses, there's calls, there's this, there's that, there's penny stocks, there's blue chip stocks. It can be a lot of information and be very confusing, especially if you were never taught it growing up. This stuff is not in our school systems. Why? I don't know, but that's a different conversation. But again, let me know in the comments if you're an investor or you're a trader. I started off investing because I didn't really understand it too well. So I want to slowly get my feet in the water. I didn't just want to dive in. I slowly walk through the water, understanding, seeing trends, seeing what happens when this happens, what happens when that happens, what happens in the dip, what happens in the rise. So just absorbing all this information, because it is a lot of information. It's a lot. That's why when you're new to investing, if you don't have the patience to be an investor, you get mad and then you sell all your stuff and then you're like, I'm out of it. I'm not doing it. So you need to find what works for you. Do you have the patience to wait out long term? Or do you want what you call quick money? Is that more of a satisfaction for you, making day-to-day trades or week-to-week trades or month-to-month trades? You have to figure out what works best for you. I've slowly started to get into some swing trades where I'm buying into a stock for a certain amount of period and I'm looking for a certain percent of return. And once I hit that certain percent of return, I'm getting out. That's what we would consider swinging on a trade. And then long-term investing is, I would say, a lot easier because you just invest your money in that company and you give yourself a certain amount of years. And you say, on this year, I'm gonna, like, my rule is I got my 5+5 rule. So in 5 years on my long-term investments, I have an option. I have an option to opt out, take my money, my profits, hopefully, and go about my way and maybe reinvest down term. Or I have another option to hold out for another 5 years and then make another decision on year 10. So that's just how I do it. I'm not telling you to do it this way, but come up with a strategy that fits you. We have to think like the sharks, and the sharks are using strategy, and we need to come up with our own strategy, a strategy that works for us. And it's okay if you mess up, especially early on, because you're learning. Learn from your mistakes, make your adjustments, and build your portfolio to be a strong, withstanding one. Very diverse. That's what I think works the best. That's what I've heard. Statistically, that works the best because obviously the stock market fluctuates up and down, and you want to be in as safest of a zone that you can be. So if you have any questions, comment below. I'm willing to answer any questions that will clarify any confusion, especially to all my new investors. I want to see all my people get money, especially the ones that watch and support my video. But let me know, what do you think is the most profitable? Is it investing or is it trading? Let me know in the comments. I'm interested to see what y'all think the most profitable side is, because you also have to think that investing, you put more minimal time into research because it's long term. Unless something crazy happens, you need to know. When you're swing trading, every article can affect, every piece of news that is pertaining to that stock can affect it. So you got to kind of be more on top of it, so you're burning up more time as a swing or day-to-day trader. In my opinion, you're burning up more time. So you have to put this all into account when you're thinking you're making money. Yes, what if you make a swing trade? If you make a swing trade, $50 on a swing trade, you kind of have to add in the time that you're spending to look up articles and look up information, and all that counts. It's a whole spectrum. We can't forget about the time that we are investing into finding out the information we need. So let me know, do y'all think you make more money as an investor, investing in long term, or day-to-day trades? I'm with both. So, I recommend you to do both as well, because you can get as much money as you can get, as much money as you could put to invest to work for you. I think we'll be better off anyways. But I hope everybody enjoyed the video. I hope everybody enjoys the rest of the week. I pray that many blessings, especially monetary blessings, come y'all way. And I will see y'all tomorrow.